This Island of Silence project begins with a series of individual approaches to Moscow's industrial past. The history of the city and the plot is relived, and with the help of the client, it is concluded that the best way to proceed would be to appeal to the Russian production capacity from an approach that modernizes it while maintaining its initial essence. The project will be self-sufficient, producing what is necessary to meet its needs and those of its clients, from fashion and recycled textile formwork to complex thermal circuits that do not need an external individual to filter or clean them. The master plan mixes various types of conditional and parametric growth strategies, with the first one based on energy spots, which will be the production spaces of the project, the most important places in the area regardless of the program. You can visualize the order in which the project spaces will be placed according to a hierarchy of project importance. The second method of implementation that will be intertwined with the rest consists of a project of volumetric conquest of spaces based on the energy required by the project rooms and the route that you want to establish in order to leave the spaces. The third strategy conditions the inputs and outputs of the project's inhabitants' flows that will inevitably make the project more complex. Based on these three growth methods, an integration plan will be developed that will initially consist of program bands distributed according to their need for protection and tranquility against the stimuli of the city. The hotspots will be generated, and from there the program will grow according to the needs and hierarchies established between us, the architects. Growth in height, the use of residual spaces from other programs, and the energy and raw material requirements of each of the rooms will prevail. For this reason, a growth contract will be made with a series of rules. Instead of dividing the parcel from the first moment, each member will conquer it according to these laws. You can add or erase any energy spot and increase or decrease its importance inside the overall project. At the time of formalizing the ideas, several prototypes appear. The first may be the result of the colonization strategy or a detail of the facade in which the water flows through the spheres while serving as an insulator. The second is the result of an intensive study of insulating and ecological materials. The third prototype forms a habitable scheme that protects the quiet spaces of those who provide them with matter and energy. The result will be a complex space. We conceive the model as an island of silence in the city. Thank you very much for your attention and feedback.